Step back lunges. All right, so let's go over how to do this. So a step back lunge is going to be working the majority of the backside of your legs, that being your glutes and then your hamstrings. Okay, so just it's easy to remember. Stepping back, working the backside of the legs, right? Think of a lunge going forward, working the front of the legs, the quads. Easy, easy peasy. All right, so let's go over the backside or the step back lunge. So to do this, get your weights. You're going to have an inside shoulder width stance. Now, when you go to step back with your body position, you can kind of have a slight leaning forward with your hips and back, only because we're targeting your glutes and hamstrings. And that's a slight hip hinge, which is already going to activate your hamstrings and glutes, which is good. All right, so body position, hips slightly forward. Now, I'm going to start by taking my right foot back. It's going to go straight back and then outside to the right, maybe about 2 inches. So boom, boom, down. Okay, right knee goes straight down. Press up off the lead foot and then alternate. Just like that. Make sure that front heel is staying nice and flat. And take your time.